President William Ruto niw'aweta kana uthukumi wiy'ungamie wa ngava cia silikali niw'o usyaiye mauvuukyo ma kwikya itheka imwe cia ivengee muutia mutalatalani wa kinandu wa mwaka wa 2024 ula wavikwa mbungeni kwi muthenyani wa umunthi. President Ruto na ula uungamie kikalo cha ayumbe ma Kenya Kwanza muthenyani wa umunthi kwisila utumanini ula usomiwe ni mweene kivila wa kinandu mbungeni na ndongoi ya ala ingi mbungeni. Silikali ni yatangasa kwikya itheka imwe cia Koti muutia ila enendi methiiwe mayiyi ya ivetangwe. Benjamin Mwaka ni mwandiki wa mauvuukyo makaunti ya Ilovi na yetuelesya mauvuukyo uliko.
President William Ruto nulasimikie kwikya kikalo kimwana na ayumbe ngwatanio yake ya Kenya Kwanza kwi umunthi kuthinikia mutalatalani muutia wa kinandu wa mwaka huu wa 2024 kuvikia mwaka ukite 2025 na itina wa masaka utamonenanya vei na mauseo kwa enendi
transfer of sugar
zama ya kinandu kwisila kwa mweene kivila muyumbe wa molo kulia kimani itangaza kana silikali niyetekelile kuvetanga imwe cia ivengee muutia ta vieti ya 16 ulayana kwa Mukate vieti nthina wa mitumile ya mbesa kwisila nzia ya simu pamwe na kuvetanga ekolevi troloni twa wavikwa yetu na diapers kati wa mauvuukyo ange.
We did make a promise that public participation would not be an exercise in futility. We have listened to the view of Kenyans and we are all in agreement that there are two things that we must do. One of them is that we need to protect Kenyans from increased cost of living, and therefore the proposed 16% VAT on bread has been dropped.
When the chair and the finance committee listened to stakeholders, especially the Kenya Association of Manufacturers, a very good case was made for protection of the local manufacturing industry. Therefore, to protect our local manufacturing industry and create jobs within our economy, we are therefore levying those levies on imported finished products, right from the borders, the motorcycles, to sanitary towels that are imported, and diapers and all that.
Ni tambila silikali kuweta yumanitwe na uthukumi wiy'ungamie wa ngava cia silikali vatekulikililwa mbunge undumwe na ofisi wa president kilalo ni kinene cha kumutethya mweene nthi.
This is the best thing that happened to Kenya, that we are having a conversation on issues that are of the nature of our country. Today, Kenyans know there is something called finance bill. I am also very happy because we are beginning to see institutions working in Kenya. That as the executive, we have made proposals to the legislature. The legislature have interrogated those proposals. The public has interrogated those proposals. The public have recommended, through public participation, their feelings, their ideas, their suggestions, and because the people's representatives have listened to the people through public participation, they have adjusted the proposals from the executive.
Mutalatalani ni wanenganwa mbungeni kwa ivinde hambe ni mweene kivila wa nzama ya kinandu kulia kimani vala wikwatiwa kunena ni wakwi uni na itina kukunua kula ni ayumbe kivengee kimwe kuthi kila kingi.
For those that have been able to see our report, then there is actually proof that we listened to the members of the public. Secondly, we are converting finance bill not to be just a revenue raising bill, but a bill that addresses matters of policy.
Ateo hamwe ma ayumbe moleini mavuthisya mautangaso ama mauvandiliku ala methwa mekiwe nthini wa mutalatalani kwisila kikalo cha State House. Wala maweta ni meuvalucha mutalatalani maiweta wina sindu mbingi muno nthuku itana nena niwa na wavitukithwa withwa wiminana na enendi vyo kiukwati na kimikalile.
From the outset, it is important to note that the process of development of the finance bill has happened exclusively under the remote control of the President, to the exclusion of members of Parliament from the opposition, concluding in today's PR exercise at State House that comes too little, too late. This draconian finance bill is purely their baby, ugly as it is.
We are not aware of what amendments they have done, and that is why we are saying if they have done some amendments, we are asking the Speaker to suspend the debate, the tabling of that finance bill today, and we are asking for the Committee on Finance to go back and redraft a new finance bill and bring it back to the people for them to correct fresh ideas from the people and public participation to happen again.
Vilingwa mauvuukyo kumavamia kone mbunge ni musino ilovi nye nito Benjamin Mwakam.